How to set up / login your profile as a student or a teacher. Open www.ai²laboratories.com. For creating your profile, click Login. Click Sign Up. Then select as how you want to sign up, as a teacher or as a student. For registering as teacher, click Sign Up as Teacher. Fill all the details like name, email, password, confirm password, teaching class, teaching subject, school ID and registration code. School ID and registration code will be provided to the registered institution, so please contact your institute for the same. Click Submit. Here your profile is ready. Now, for registering as student, click Sign Up as Student. Fill all the details like name, email, password, confirm password, class, subject, school ID and registration code. School ID and registration code will be provided to the registered institution, so please contact your institute for the same. Click Submit. Here your profile is ready. Now login page is same for both teacher and for student. Click Login. Enter username and password. Student's username will be school ID_SR number. And teacher's username will be provided just after successful registration.